Fucking hell, you can see me. Your description, I've been starting to bend.